National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 to 40 nautical miles, including Axel Carlson Reef, Belmer, Manasquan Inlet, Point Pleasant Beach, Cedar Reef, Shark Rib Reef and Silverton until 7:45 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong wind 34 knots, or greater 8 nautical miles northwest of Point Pleasant Beach, moving northeast at 30 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 6 nautical miles northwest of Point Pleasant Beach by 6:50 p.m., 6 nautical miles northwest of Manasquan Inlet by 6:55 p.m., 2 nautical miles northwest of Belmer by 7 p.m., 6 nautical miles northwest of Cedar Reef by 7:05 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Wednesday evening for southern New Jersey. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Wednesday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Here is a